Awesome. Awesome. So, drilling down then into a specific industry here. So, we hear a lot about, we've been talking a lot about the supply chain and third party providers and things like that. So, when it comes to the industry like manufacturing or logistics, how can they secure their supply chain and third party providers from security risks?
Yeah, securing the supply chain and third-party providers from cyber risks is crucial for industries like manufacturers and logistics companies. They can become more secure by conducting thorough vendor assessments, by establishing clear security standards, by implementing strong access controls, by instilling continuous monitoring and management of these tools and solutions and network, by providing that employee training, by developing a robust incident response plan, and by having a secure development life cycle.
Cool. So it definitely seems like employee training is kind of a big thing.
It is, yes. Like I said
Um,
before, it is definitely the weakest link in that chain. And you want to make sure that you take a lot of focus and time to correct that so that you can give your team the tools and knowledge to mitigate any risks that they might run into on a day-to-day basis.
yeah,